Amaravati, September 19. The opposition Telugu Desam Party, TDP, on Monday tried to lay siege to Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly, triggering high tension in the area. The protest by leaders and workers of TDP's farmers' cell led to utter chaos, and even the minister's convoys were stuck in traffic jams. The protesters took police by surprise by trying to advance towards the assembly building after scaling the walls of the electricity substation. TDP Farmers' Cell President M.Srinivas Reddy and other leaders were stopped by the police. There was heated argument and even scuffle between the two sides. Police used force to control the situation. The protesters were arrested and shifted to a police station. The protest led to traffic jams on the road leading to the state secretariat. Convoys of ministers, YSR Congress Party, YSRCP, MLAs and MLCs were caught in traffic jams. The area echoed with the sirens from escort vehicles of the VIP convoys. The TDP leaders condemned the arrests and argued that protest is their right. They said their peaceful protest to highlight the problems of farmers was foiled with the use of force. They asked Chief Minister Y.S.Jagan Mohan Reddy as to how long he would run the government with the use of police. Earlier, TDP legislators tried to reach the assembly with a bullock cart, raising slogans against the state government. TDP General Secretary Nara Lokesh, party's state president Atchan Naidu and other legislators pulled the cart towards the assembly building. Police stopped the TDP leaders and took away the cart, which was without bulls. The police shifted the cart to Thullur police station and deflated its tires. The opposition party leaders staged a protest in front of the police station. The TDP legislators were carrying placards with slogans like "A farmers betray Y.S.Jagan," "A where is minimum support price," "A farming versus faction," and "A crop holiday during Jagan rule." Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.